Okay, so what has happened ultimately is that we have data. Because of these systems, they have generated data. We are processing that data, and then we are having output, efficiency, and productivity. This is a simple case of any software. Everywhere software is being adopted, that means this is the way they are thinking about the situation. Now, when we talk, this is like e-governance also. In government, if government want to provide better service to the institution, or you can say the stakeholders like different government institutions and the citizens, then it is doing the e-governance. And e-governance means developing website and the software so that things can improve for the citizens. Now in this case, what happens is, next thing is, you have data, you have records, you have experience which you have stored because of these systems. After that, again you do the processing, and then you get the knowledge, insights, and decisions. In the previous case, you were taking the decision, okay, but work was being done by the software or the machine. So software is also one type of machine. And if I ask you what is the machine, then you will remember a very good definition given by Three Idiot movie. Anything which reduces our work is machine. So software is reducing our work, so it is our machine, and any physical object that is also reducing our work, that is also machine. So now what happens is, in this phase of artificial intelligence, what is happening is, we have developed the digital transformation. We are going over that digital transformation, and we are going for the intelligent automation. The previous part is automation, and now it is intelligent automation. And what is intelligent automation? You are utilizing artificial intelligence to extract useful things, to extract knowledge, to understand anything, and then include that knowledge in the process so that the things become more convenient, efficient, and productive.